Hi students, today I want to show you how to put your week 5 reflection into your ePortfolio. So you want to go to classwork and then you want to click on ePortfolios on the left hand side, and then you want to find your ePortfolio. Okay, so you'll see that it says CLB5 week 5 reflection. So you're going to take your left finger and click on the touchpad, and then with your right finger you're going to move it to the About Me folder. Then you click Move. Then you click on About Me to check that it's there. Great, you can see that it's there. And now you're going to go back, click on your name, and click on Inventory Sheets. Double click. Double click on the picture. And now you're going to go to the bottom of the page and you're going to, I'll make this smaller so I can see it. I'll go down to 75. Oh, I still can't see it. Okay, so click on All About Me at the bottom. And look at this. This student has written everything very nicely. So you're going to write today's date here. So it is May 10th, 2021. And you're going to write week 5 reflection. Oh, and I made a mistake, so I can just click backspace. There we go. So now I'm going to close this tab. It says leave, good. And I can go back and click on my name. And I can see that there should be nothing here except for your individual tracking form if you have one there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do the assignment.